Right, today guys, I'm going to take you through the process of replacing the spout on your tap. So what we're going to do first is to switch off the power on the front of the boiler, then come up to the tap and activate the boiling water side of the product. And we're going to flush the boiling water out of the system. When you get to the point of where the water has run cold, like so, turn the boiling water off. You then go back down underneath the sink, isolate the water going to the filter system via the green handled ball valve, come back up to the product and just release any pressure on both the filtered side and the boiling side. What I'm going to do now guys is take you through the process of isolating your mains hot and cold water. So what we've got here today is two isolation valves positioned. So this is the cold one, so just use your screwdriver and just rotate the screw 90 degrees, and we do the same for the mains hot. So all the water feeding the tap is now isolated. We're now going to remove the spout. So what you can see here is to see this little round collar, and see there's a little split line now. Just above the little split line is just to grip this round collar with my hand and just unscrew the collar like so. Going to pull the spout out of the position, but when I do that there's some residue water that's left inside of the spout. As you see, it comes out like so. And all that you do is just place the spout over the top of the sink. Just give that a shake, make sure that's all out. So this is your replacement spout. What we're going to do firstly is just remove this bag and the elastic band. So just pull them off like that. So we're going to push the new spout into position, and what you'll do, you'll get 2 clicks. 1 click, 2 clicks. So that's fully pushed down into position. And then rotate and screw the collar into position until there's no gap. The next step is now to turn on the mains hot and cold water for your tap. Turn on the water, switch on the power. So we've now turned on all the water supplying the product. We've switched on the power. So I'm going to activate the mains hot and cold side of the tap. And I'm just going to check for leaks, just making sure there's no water leaks around here and here. So as you can see, that's good. We're now doing the same for the filtered and boiling water. Whilst checking for leaks around here and here. So that's that spout changeover procedure done.